Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to create WazirX account. To create a new WazirX account or to sign up for WazirX, first of all make sure that you've downloaded the app on your device. After installing WazirX on your mobile device, launch it open. The first interface of WazirX will look like this. You can continue signing up with your Google account, with your Apple ID, or with email. I'm gonna choose the email option. Tap continue with email if you want to do the same, and then make sure you select the sign up tab under continue with email ID. Inside the sign up tab, type in your email address and password. Enter a valid email address you are trying to sign up with, and in the password tab, create a password that you'd like to use to log into your account in the future. After creating a strong password, click on the sign up button. If you've got a referral code with you, enter it down in the referral code text box and tap on the I agree box at the bottom and click on create account. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create a new account for WazirX. You might need to verify your email address and complete the KYC verification in order to get started with the platform. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.